Café con leche. I'm sick and tired of everyone being so nice to me. I don't have to wait in line in the school cafeteria because my classmates let me cut in front. If I forget my homework, the teacher says I can turn it in the next day. No problem. At home, I've gone an entire week without making the bed or doing the dishes, and Mommy didn't say anything. It's not that I became a superstar overnight. My grandma died last week, and my friends seem to think that if they treat me nicely, I won't feel as sad. I don't know how to tell them it's not working, so I don't say anything. I move to the front of the line, grab a strawberry yogurt, sit myself down and eat in silence. But the silence never lasts very long. Can we sit down? Karen asks. I shrug my shoulders because it doesn't bother me, but being with them doesn't cheer me up either. These past few days, everything feels the same to me. Do you want some grapes, Celeste? Sylvia offers. No thanks, I say. Come on, Celeste, so we can synchronize. Synchronized eating, our favorite sport. We take a bite at exactly the same time, open our eyes wide, raise our arms, spin around in unison, once, twice, sometimes 3 times. Our routines are quite elaborate, like synchronized swimming. Super fun, but not today. I'm not in the mood for games. Excuse me, I say bluntly and leave the table. The day feels like it's never going to end. Math, science, English, social studies, it all blurs together in my head, and the only thing I can think about is my grandmother's green dress. Such a bright green, like grass after a good rain. Green was her favorite color. Green, how I want you, green, she used to tell me so I'd eat my vegetables. She said it was a verse from a famous Spanish poet, Federico Garcia Lorca. If your face isn't turning green, then you need to eat some more vegetables, she'd add. But I always licked the plate clean, because my grandma's cooking, no matter what she made, was always the best in the world. At least for me it was. The bell finally rings, so I run outside, even though I'm not sure if anyone will be out there waiting for me. I stand at the corner, looking in all directions, waiting to see who's going to pick me up today. Yesterday it was Doña Esperanza, our next-door neighbor. On Tuesday it was Lisa, my mom's friend with the long hair and no makeup. Sometimes she even goes around barefoot. Ugh! Lisa picks me up on Tuesdays and Fridays, but sometimes she switches with Doña Esperanza. Mommy, on the other hand, never comes. Well, she did come on Monday, because she was still off work for the funeral. But she had to go back the next day. Like she always says, if you don't work, you don't eat. Although now that Grandma's gone, you might say we don't eat much at all. Celeste, cross the street, mija, Doña Esperanza yells at me from across the street. I'm coming, I say, but I cross the street slowly, as if my feet ached. What happened? Did you get hurt dancing or something? I'm just tired, I tell her, and I'm not in dance anymore. Eat some tostaditas when you get home, and you'll see how fast you feel better, she says. Like your Grandma Rosa always said, may she rest in peace, full belly, happy heart. I keep walking as if I can't hear what she is saying. I want to talk to her, but nothing comes out. When we get in the car, Doña Esperanza takes my hand and says, I really miss her too. On the way home, I imagine that when I get there, my after-school snack will be waiting on the kitchen table. Grandma always had a warm cup of café con leche and toast ready for me. But when she got sick, I had to learn to prepare it myself. She taught me how to make it by using measurements so that it would come out right every time. You have to measure the ingredients and not just go by sight, she'd say. Otherwise, one day you might have a great cup of coffee, but the next day it might taste like laundry water. Grandma loved her café con leche, even after she got sick. I'd take it to her room, and rather than saying thank you, she'd say, this coffee is ready to be entered in a contest. But the last time I brought it to her, she drank it slowly and in silence. At first I thought she didn't like it and wondered if I'd messed up the measurements. But when she finished, she said, now this cup takes first place.